In our Survey Maker plugin, you can choose only certain users with certain user roles to access your survey. To do that, we're going to do the following steps. Go to the Limitation Users tab, scroll down until you can see Access only to selected user roles feature and click on it. After it, you can see the Access only to logged in users feature has automatically enabled too. This is because not logged in users cannot access the survey. Now, on the open window of Access only to selected user roles, we can see the option to choose users with specific roles to be able to take our survey. When you click on it, you can see roles such as administrator, editor, author, and so on. From that list, choose the user roles you want to take your survey. In the message field, you can write a message for those who are not included in your mentioned list. Do not forget to save your changes. Now we can see that the user whose role is administrator is not able to access the survey. However, when we change the user to someone whose role is subscriber, the survey is fully shown in this case.